Yo, what's up? Back at it again with another one. Yeah, glad to be back. What's happening, y'all? So this is what I'm gonna do. We got 3 days to get a lot of things buttoned up on me here car, so we can get ready for primer by next Saturday. That's the goal that I'm shooting for. So this video might be all over everywhere. Hopefully it won't be, but yeah, that's what we're shooting for. That's what I'm going to do. But in the meanwhile, I have to show y'all guys some things that came in. Well, some things I got. Well, I went and got me the GoPro 7, the newest one. So, man, I'm coming up fast. Trying to get these cameras, trying to get things so I can get better content for y'all. Plus, I had to get me another stand. My old one kind of broke, but I've been working with it lately. On top of all that, I have got me another heater. Trying to get this place nice and toasty, nice and warm. So now we have 3 heaters. One right here. Of course, we got the furnace. That's just chuck wood into that. And we also have that now. So I should have no problem getting this place heated up quick. Of course, I gotta seal some things off in here, but I worry about that when the time comes. Winter's here now. So let's get started for today's video. By the way, I will have y'all guys on the head cam. I'm bringing that back. I haven't done it since the junkyard, so yeah, let's get started. But hold up, cinematics to show you all the new parts and stuff that I got in. This is why we had to wait. We had to wait for some parts from Nissan. I had to order because I found out some things. Come to find out that you can't use the same bolts. A lot of the same bolts on from the S13 subframe to the S14 subframe. So I had to order some. Almost took like a week getting here, so but it was well worth it. Let me cue to the cinematics. Oh yeah, by the way, got my first power tool / drill. Got me a Milwaukee, so hopefully I can finish some things. I still got it in the package because I didn't want to scuff it up already, but it's going to happen anyway today, so but let me go ahead and cue for the cinematics for y'all. I just wanted to show y'all that. That was the cinematics. So now I'm about to go ahead and get started, and I have to show y'all guys what I was talking about when I mentioned that the S13 bolt won't go with this subframe. So yeah, man, I mean, let me turn this bad boy down and I'll set everything up and show y'all what I meant. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so as you guys can see, we have 2 different bolts here. This is for the S13, this is for the S14. And as you can see, this one right here is a little long, well, this right here is a little longer than the S13 bolts. I needed longer bolts to put in for the subframe. So I went on and ordered these from Nissan. Needed them. I thought this was long enough. Come to find out, me and E found out, because he was here with me when I did this, found out that yeah, these bolts are not long enough. So what I'm gonna do now is put the proper bolt in and see if it, yeah, it's tight. Oh yeah. Mount that up. So let me see this side. Should thread in? Yes, it is. Okay, so yes, these are the proper bolts. So this is what I'm gonna do next. So yeah, we're gonna do this first. Put this in. Both of you guys can see this. I can't tell with this camera or how the way it's set up because the other one over there is charging. But yeah, see if I can find something to just match up with the bolt. It's gotta go down in there. I think the closest thing I had at the time. Nope, that's trash. This might work. I just needed for it to be in the spot I needed to be in. Be all, see all, whatever you want to call it. Because I don't want to go through that mess again for what I went through before. And I know this one's not long enough. Ugh. Think. So this is the plan. I put one in. I got another little stubby one going on there. I think what I'm gonna do, I hope that this works. I don't think I should do it like that. This last time I hope this works, guys. Let's see. Let's check for clearance. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Let's check for clearance again. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is take this wonderful board, place it across here like so. I don't know if that's gonna work. Hope everybody's in focus to see this. Okay, so at this point I need something stronger. And I have to get a shop towel, put it on top of that so I won't scar that up anymore. Got that down, flushed. What else I need to do? Okay, so now that's done. The bolts work. What I'm gonna do is take this bolt back out, get ready to show y'all cinematics on the axles, and we're gonna put it in the axles for this rear and diff. So yeah, that's the goal. So, like I said, hopefully this thing is in spec. You guys can see everything. But before I put them in, and I'm not even really sure what side goes on what side, so I'm gonna have to look that up. But as of right now, I'm going to go ahead, take some of this grease, and put it on the end of these splines. Make sure that's good on both of them, and I'm gonna look it up after that. So that's what I'm doing. So, alright, well, now it's a good, wonderful time for me to look it up and to figure out what side go on what. you guys get the gist of it. So, cut you guys back on once all this is turned. Because basically all I'm going to do next now is just, as you can see, just turn for the next and then tighten it up. £25 torque should be good enough. Okay. So, got all the bolts in. Let me show you the product. She is done. Done. Forget them scratches. You won't even know. So now, what I gotta do is take my socket, tighten that down, boom. I should have put, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, for who's out there, for you guys that's watching my video, I should have probably put lock the red locker on here, and then torque them down to specs. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and torque it down, but I'm gonna do it off camera. So yeah, but let me go ahead and do this real quick. So I just put in the Carter pins, bend them back. We're good to go. And put it in on this side. That's finally done. All that's completed now. So I'm happy as hell. Alright, so the next thing is, you know what? I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'm gonna do another part, 2 parts, so don't trip me out if you just see me with this yellow shirt again. Too bummy or whatever. But you guys take care. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. See you on the new GoPro for the next video. Let me know what you think about that one. Bye.
Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around a bit be cool. Got no need, she got. You know we had to go shopping one more time, right? I think we forgot something. All we do is shop until we drop. Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around a bit be cool. Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around a bit be cool. Y'all know me, cause all I do. Y'all know me, cause all I do. Y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me.